3, 2, 1.
I'm back with my one-man video army. Okay, so now that we've unboxed the Mac Studio, we are gonna unbox this Mac Studio display. I do have it on a table. I am on my toes right now, so as you can see, it's kind of tall and it's also kind of heavy, so bear with me. First things first, I need to find the pull. Okay, and just like on the Mac Studio, I'm gonna pull to release the seal on the box. Okay, so now that I've released the seal, I may have to make some space on this table, so I'm just gonna move these things. All right, so now that we have the space, I'm gonna flip this on the side because I don't see how else I can do this. Aha. Open sesame. Bada bada boom. And now again, we have some side panels that can open up a little bit to get it out of the box. The box is quite heavy, by the way. I'm hoping that the display is not as heavy as the box because it was quite a challenge to get this to the car when I bought it. Ah, there we go. Guys, this is some serious stuff. So I am going to have to move this out of the way for a second. Okay, what else is in the box? Ah, there we go. So in the box, there is a Thunderbolt cable and some paperwork. It says studio display, just in case my focus is not on, with a bunch of leaflets. Welcome to your Apple Studio display. Connect your Mac or iPad to the Thunderbolt 3 port on your studio using the included cable. The studio display will automatically turn on. Interesting. So that's what's in here. Very nice. Now I will move the box out of the way. This box is crazy though. I remember when I bought the 27-inch 5K iMac. It came in an awesome box, but it wasn't this big and heavy. Now the question is, if you open it, how easy is it to close it again? Guys, this box is heavy. Just gonna put it like this. This. There we go. Oh no. I hope you guys are enjoying seeing me struggle with this box. Aha. No. Let's see if I can get both of these flaps in at the same time. But watch me now, watch me now. Boom. Did I get it? Yes, I did. Right. Box. It's probably as heavy as the display. Alright, now that that's over, I'm gonna bring the studio display, Mac Studio, back over here. Alright, let's do this part first. So, as you can see on this box, there's another flap will open of this cardboard protection. Just lift it off now. These are heavy. Okay. So I did forget to mention that this studio display is the tilt and height adjustable option. So up, down, this way, and that way. Now let's get this off. Yeah, I'm just gonna rip that off. This is the cable, which, if you are not aware, be aware that this cable is not removable, which is annoying, but such is life. I don't know why Apple decided to do that, but they did. Now, I'm going to the final reveal. Again, same tissue paper with some adhesive. Now I'm calling it tissue paper, but that's not what it is, but it's just to give you an idea of the texture of the paper. And it has the recycle symbol on it, so it's recycled. And there we have it. Oh, okay. Protective. And there we have it. Apple Studio Display. And Mac Studio Ultra. And then before I go, I'll just show you the accessories that I got with it. I did get the Magic Keyboard with Touch ID. I was thinking about getting the larger black keys, but I decided to go with the smaller one. I got an extra Thunderbolt cable because just not quite sure what I need yet, so I just got it. And then I got the Magic Trackpad in white to match the keyboard. I do already have a Magic Mouse. It is black though, so I'm gonna have to probably get a white one to go with these accessories.